If you love campfire cooking but hate bringing half your kitchen outdoors, the right Dutch oven can completely change the experience. The real question is whether this heavy cast iron classic is actually worth carrying around, or whether its weight becomes more trouble than it's worth. The Lodge Pre-Season Cast Iron Deep Camp Dutch Oven is built for campers, outdoor cooks, backyard fire pit chefs, and anyone who wants that traditional cast iron cooking experience. Its 4-quart size is compact enough for smaller meals, but still practical for stews, roasts, chili, cobblers, and other campfire favorites. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is that this isn't lightweight cookware. It's solid, substantial, and deliberately built for high-heat cooking. The cast iron construction feels like something designed to survive years of use rather than something you'll replace every couple of seasons. The pre-seasoned vegetable oil finish is especially convenient because you can start cooking without going through a complicated seasoning process first. The design also makes much more sense once you take it outdoors. The built-in legs raise the pot above the coals, while the flanged lid creates a surface where hot coals can sit on top. That means heat can come from both underneath and above, which is exactly what you want when you're baking or slow cooking around a campfire. The sturdy bail handle gives you another practical option for lifting the oven or hanging it from a tripod. And then there's the lid, which adds a surprising amount of versatility. Flip it over, and it can work as a griddle for things like eggs, bacon, sandwiches, or even searing meat. So instead of carrying a separate pan for breakfast, you can potentially get multiple cooking jobs from the same piece of cookware. In real-world use, cast iron's biggest advantage is heat retention. Once this Dutch oven gets hot, it stays hot, which is excellent for slow cooking and maintaining steady temperatures. It's particularly useful for recipes where you want ingredients to simmer gently rather than constantly adjusting the heat. Around a campfire, that steady performance can make cooking feel much less unpredictable. The trade-off is weight. Cast iron is heavy, and adding a lid and food makes it even heavier. You'll also need to pay attention when moving it around hot coals, especially if you're cooking with children nearby. Cleaning isn't difficult, but cast iron does require a little more care than stainless steel or lightweight camping cookware. You generally want to avoid leaving it soaking for long periods and should dry it thoroughly after cleaning. Another advantage is versatility. You can use this Dutch oven over a campfire, with charcoal, or in other suitable outdoor cooking setups. That makes it appealing to campers who want one dependable cooking vessel rather than a collection of specialized equipment. However, if your priority is ultralight backpacking, this probably isn't the right tool. A lighter aluminum or titanium cooking system will be much easier to carry. Compared with other camp Dutch ovens, Lodge's biggest strength is its long history with cast iron and its straightforward design. More expensive alternatives may offer different shapes, finishes, or accessories, but the Lodge focuses on doing the fundamentals well. You're paying for substantial cast iron, useful campfire features, and cookware that's designed to become a long-term part of your outdoor kit. So, is the Lodge for Quart Camp Dutch Oven worth it? For car campers, backyard cooks, families, and outdoor enthusiasts who value durability over minimum weight, absolutely worth considering. It isn't the lightest or easiest piece of cookware to transport, but that's part of the trade-off for getting something that can handle serious heat and potentially last for generations. If you're looking for dependable campfire cookware that can make everything from hearty stews to fresh cobbler, this Lodge Dutch oven is a practical choice. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you make a decision, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest outdoor and kitchen gear reviews.